Hi, everybody. I'm sorry I'm not here today. Today's October 20th. I have a doctor's appointment, so you guys have a sub and me filming this video. Your learning objective today is I can compare the climates of different countries. However, I've noticed that most of you have not gotten there yet, even though you were supposed to have it done when you got here today. So I want to walk you through how we're going to adapt for this. If you, I've pulled up somebody's work. Franco, thank you for lending me your work. So I'm going to look at Franco's EU Madness. Do you see how I highlighted his part? I highlighted part of his yellow. That means that's the part that he needs to get done. Everybody has part of theirs highlighted yellow. You do not need to do the parts that are white. Only the parts that are yellow. So once again, you only do the parts that are yellow. Then I'm going to zoom in on Franco's so I can show you what to do next. All right, so he says Austria is better. So I'm going to go to his bracket. I'm going to open it with Annotate with Cami. And so right here, I'm going to put Austria because he decided Austria was the winner. Now I've got to look at his next winner. He said Bulgaria. So I will right here put Bulgaria. All right, so now he's got Austria and Bulgaria. So I know when he is doing round 2, his first country here is Austria. I'm going to increase the size here so it's easier for you to see. Austria, and his second is Bulgaria. And so he will fill that out based on his bracket. So then the next one would be Cyprus and Estonia. So he would type in Cyprus here. Type in Estonia here. And here he would put Cyprus and Estonia. And now he's got to find out the type of climate. So we're going to go to SC Discus. I'm going to open up SC Discus. I'm going to go to by subject, geography, culturegrams. You've got your SC Discus login information, hopefully. If not, I'll post it in Google Classroom. And we're going back to World Edition, Europe. And so the first country I want to look at again is going to be Austria. So do I have to do the countries he didn't choose as the best? No, I'm only doing the ones that were chosen as the best. So for Franco, that's Austria. We're going to go to land and climate. All right, so it's a mild climate. Good to know. Temperate summers, cold winters. So we know average temperature in winter is 32 degrees, summer is 67 degrees Fahrenheit, and it gets drier to the east of the country. So we don't need to list out everything, right? We just need to list out the information we've learned. So we know that it is 32 degrees in winter. And we know it's 67 degrees in the summer. I'm going to shrink the text down a little bit. It doesn't need to be quite that large. So we know Austria is 32 degrees in winter, 67 degrees in summer. It's dry to the east. And we know it's a mild climate. But what does it mean by mild? So I'm going to check out the textbook. All right, so this map is on page 247 of the textbook. And I can see right here that area is Austria. So I'm going to want to look at the color green and determine, all right, it's humid temperate, no dry season. So on the handout, I would put type of climate, humid, temperate, no dry season. Okay? Super easy, right? As long as you know where the countries are. So you do need to be aware of where they are in order to fill out the chart. I want this done by the end of the day tomorrow. This chart needs to be finished when? That's right, tomorrow. So make sure you get this work done. I will be checking, and I will see you guys either tomorrow or Monday.